Hi everyone, in this video I will show you PixelBin.io free AI watermark remover. So if you are struggling with removing a watermark from a specific image or photo, then this tool or website is for you. All you have to do is go to this bean.io and then create an account. It's easy to create an account. All you have to do is to continue with your Google, with your Apple or email and password, and then create an account. So once you have signed up or create an account, then you should see this one right here. So as you can see, if you're struggling with deleting a watermark from that specific image, then all you have to do is go to pixelbean.io and then upload this image like this one. So in order for you to delete or remove this one without removing other elements or object from that specific picture, go to PixelBin, upload, and then you can add here or you can describe or add some prompts. You can also add as simple as remove a watermark, or you can add more elements if you want, but let's just focus on removing the watermark. So you can add here or type here remove watermark and then tap on generate. But aside from that, as you can see below, there are other features and ways on how to use PixelBin. So tap on generate and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds. It will take you to another page, or let's just say same tab, but you should see this one right here. And as you can see, it is now clearing or removing the watermark. All you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds and the result should be like this. A message on the right side will say that it has or they have removed the watermark from your picture or from that image. Okay, so aside from that, aside from removing, as you can see on the left side, there are other tools that you can use here in PixelBin and that IO. So let's just say that if you want to add again another image, let's just say there are tons of watermarks, not just one, but a lot of watermarks that you want to remove. So let's see if this pixelbean.io can still remove watermarks, not just one, but many in the specific image or photo. So unfortunately, again, let me tell you that you cannot remove a watermark from a video. So pixelbean.io is for image or photos only. But here in Pixelbean, you can generate prompts and convert or turn it into video. But when it comes to removing watermark, you can only do that with the free version and for image only. So let's go back and then let's upload again another one. Let's just see if Pixel.io can remove this tons of words or watermark right here. So let me upload this one and then let me click the remove watermark. So again, click the plus icon, make sure that this one is ready from your device, and then add the picture here in pixelbean.io and then wait for a couple of seconds. Then I'm going to tap on the remove watermark here. And then after that, tap on generate. So as easy as that, then all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds as pixelbee.io is removing your watermark. And let's just see if pixelbee.io can remove these tons of watermarks in my image. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the result right away. And a message on the right side will tell you once it's done. So as you can see, processing, and here it is, as easy as that. And as you can see, the quality is still there. There are no other elements that has been removed, but only the watermark or the watermarks only. The people or the other elements at the back is still there. And that's the good thing about using this pixel.io. So again, let's try if there are some huge words, not just watermarks, but if you want to remove big words and you just want to remain the object, let's just say this one right here. And then this time I'm going to add another element, or let's just say I'm going to add people. Let's see what will be the result if we're going to remove words but add other elements or people here in Pixel bean.io. So as you can see, it's now removing the big words here, not just watermark, but figures. And then let's see if what will be the result if we're going to add some people in this picture. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, or let's just say minute, as it is processing. Then you should see the result right away. And here it is. As you can see, the quality is good. The quality is there. No other elements removed aside from the word, or let's just say watermark, in this picture. And as you can see, the people added are like real ones. Okay, now if you want to upgrade your plan, just tap on upgrade. You can see that there are tons of features that you can unlock if you upgrade your plan into one of this plan right here, like pro plan, enterprise plan, and so on. But if you just want to use the basic version, you can, but it's just limited. So this is what it looks like, and that's how easy it is to remove watermark here in PixelBin.io for free. No need to pay a lot, and the quality is still there. And you just have to add the picture, tap on remove watermark, or type remove watermark, and you should see the result right away. As easy as that. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.